So, hello again from Tony the Sky Ghost. I'm going to show you how to assemble the aGlass DK2 from 7 dimension inside the standard HTC headset. So to have eye tracking inside VR. I just covered the hardware part of the installation because the software one that we have to accomplish after this just requires you to install the software and follow the instruction over there. The first step is to adjust these knobs so to leave more spaces inside the Vive headset. As you can see, I just put this at the maximum dimension possible, and I also move the IPD knob to make the lenses the most distant possible. So this is the first stage, just to make room for the eye tracking insert. Okay, so now we have to put these inserts here and here. As you can see, these are very similar shapes. So this is circular and this is straight. Here is a straight side and here is the same, circular, straight side. So we have to make the straight side and straight side go one on top of the other. There is few room to move, so just put it slowly inside that, and with little rotations you have to find a way so that one is on top of the other, and then push it gently so that the eye tracking module is in place. Okay, now for the second one, I just want to remember you that you have to use the IPD knob to make the lenses so that they are closest possible one another, so you have more room to rotate it. I try to assemble it with the lenses far away, and it's very difficult. But they are very close, you can just put the two sides one close to another, and you make it enter by slowly rotating it. Then you put it in place so it's very similar, and then you push gently one on top of the other. We are now Vive with eye tracking modules inside. And now for the last step, we have to connect these two devices to the power and such, or to the USB of the computer. And to do this, we use this device, this hub. We can open this compartment panel of the HTC Vive by pushing with the thumbs here and opening the panel. So now we can put this USB port inside here for a better cable management, and then plug it inside this port. Then we can close the lid by doing the opposite process and pulling it this way. And then all we have to do is to connect these USB plugs inside the eye tracking modules. So here you are one, and here you are two. And then it's just a matter of cable management. You can make the cables assemble the cables in a better way, so they don't disturb you while you are in VR. And that's it. We have a completely eye tracked HTC Vive device. Now all you have to do is to go to the aGlass website, download the software, and perform all the calibration operations. Thank you for watching, and follow me on www.skycross.com. Goodbye.